Hello Eric and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya and today I want to share with you some tips that will allow you to increase the traffic to your website, attract more customers and grow your company. I will be covering the website, the contents, the Google business profile and backlinks. So let's start with your homepage. I can see that you have the click to call button over here, request a quote. Actually you have action buttons throughout the front page, so well done there. Actually this is a big website because you have all of these pages for all of the different services, both residential and commercial. So it's a lot of content that you can have in here. Then you have all of the links to the different services and these pictures, which are very nice. The reasons why people should work and choose you. Then you have here, these videos are really good because they can actually make people stay longer, and is one of the metrics that Google looks at when actually ranking the website. So that's something well done. And then you have the blog over here, and then you have the footer with all of the service areas, and then get in touch. So perhaps a few things that you could add. You could have the click to call button a little bit bigger over here and have the contact us form at the top. Just make it very easy for anyone using a mobile phone to reach out to you. In terms of the amount of content, let's have a look. Everything that you have in here is considered content. So the videos, the pictures, all of that. So let's have a look. I cannot see it. Let me see if this one. Save as Roundup Builders. So it's correctly built, saved. So well done there. Now let's have a look at the amount of content. You have 739 words on your homepage, and Google likes to see content. And to be optimized for Google, you want to be between 1,500 and 2,000 words. Because two things. First, through content is that Google is able to understand what the website is about, and because through content you're able to push through more relevant buyer intent keywords, which is basically the way people search in Google when they want to buy a product or a service. Now, if I have a look at two of your competitors, this is for the kitchen remodeling segment, a structural remodeling, for example. These guys have 3,808 words, and Southland Remodeling, these guys have 1,097 words. And this is just, I know this is a landing page for remodeling, kitchen remodeling only, but just to give you an idea where these competitors are in terms of content. Now, I came here to the Google search and I type in kitchen remodel Los Angeles. And the first section that you see is the Google ads, which are really good at driving traffic and generating leads immediately. The flip side is that they can be expensive, and also some people just turn them off in their browsers. The next section is the Google business profile. And here, to rank here, you need optimize and geotag pictures, you need reviews, you also want to demonstrate to Google that you are interacting with, that you are proactive and that you are interacting with your customers, and you need to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages, and the name, address, and phone number in those directories need to match those in your Google business profile so that Google can verify those details, and then you can rank over here. And you can see, and then the third section is the Google organic search, and what I wanted to point out is that you can see a structural remodeling, for example, is #1 over here, and it's also over here in the for the Google organic search. So that means that these guys are actually getting a lot of traffic. But then, okay, this section, the Google organic search, to rank here, you need first to have a website that is responsive, that is safe to navigate, and that has the relevant content for the searches or the way people search. Once you have that, you need something that we call backlinks. And to analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs. Right now, I am looking at your website, and you can see that you have 159 external websites pointing to your website through 736 backlinks, or links, because that's exactly a backlink, a link in another website pointing to or directing traffic to your website. Now, if I have a look at these guys, the structural remodeling, they have 748 external websites pointing to their website through 1,013 backlinks. And Southland Remodeling, they have just the kitchen remodeling landing page. It's one external website pointing through one backlink. And backlinks are important because this is a mechanism that Google has to identify which websites are the most relevant ones according to the search that users are performing. So you not only want to have more backlinks, but you want to have quality backlinks. And quality and powerful backlinks are those that are sitting on services or websites that are related to the services that you provide and to the industry that you operate in, because Google has algorithms to verify this and will give you extra points if that's the case. Now, the other section that I wanted to show you is the organic keywords. So you are being found for 246 organic keywords. And in this view, I can see what those keywords are. The search, the volume is the number of times this keyword is searched for per month. And the position is in which position your website is appearing in the Google organic search for that particular keyword. So what really interests me here is that you actually rank up higher for buyer intent keywords. And you can find them here. So, for example, garage conversion or cost. Probably that's someone that is searching for how much is that going to cost. But I was actually trying to find kitchen remodeling. Westlake Village has a search volume of 30, but you're in position 19. I saw so more, for example, kitchen remodeling Burbank. Um, Now I cannot find it. Kitchen remodel Pasadena. You're in the search volume is 50 and you're in position 21. So it's going to be really hard to attract any traffic if you are beyond position 12. Let's have a look at these guys. Structural remodeling. They are ranking for or being found for 1,300 organic keywords. And in here you can see, for example, that they are in the first position for kitchen remodeling Los Angeles, which has a search volume of 900. And because of that, they were able to get 294 visits, just one keyword. Kitchen, Los Angeles kitchen remodeling, they are in position 1 and the search volume is 250, so they were able to get 95 visits. And just to give you an idea, if you are ranking on the first position for a keyword, you're going to get between 25 and 35% of the traffic just for that particular keyword. So that's basically what you want to do. You want to identify what are those keywords with the highest search volumes, because that's the number of times that your website can be in front of potential customers at the end of the day. Because if you have those keywords and you throw them in the content of your website, then Google is going to find you for those keywords. Then by building the backlink profile, you're going to be able to rank at the top, and you're maximizing you're maximizing the volume and the number of times that you're in front of those potential customers. And then a portion of those potential customers are going to end up in your website. Another portion are going to call you, and then some of them are going to, depending on your closing rate, you're going to be able to convert them into customers. And you can see here they are actually ranking for lots of buyer intent keywords, which very interesting search volumes. So kitchen remodeling 150, additions 200, contractor 100. So there's lots of opportunities there to actually increase the traffic to your website. So I hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use the information to increase the traffic to your website, and please don't forget to give me feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.